everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save game files and config file in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era on PC. Just follow these steps carefully. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer. Now follow this path step by step. Go to this PC. Open the C drive. Open the Users folder. Open your User folder. Open the App Data folder. If you don't see it, click View. Select Show, then Hidden Items. Open the Local Low folder. Open the Unfrozen folder. Open the Heroes Olden Era folder. Open the Users folder. Open the folder Steam. Open the Saves folder. Inside this folder, you will find your save game files. Now let's find the config file. Go back to the folder, Steam. Now follow these steps. Open the Prefs folder. Now locate the file, settingslocal.json. Right-click on it. Select Edit with Notepad. This file contains your game configuration settings. That's it. That's everything you need to know to find your save and config files. Now you can back up, transfer, or edit your files if needed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.